And this is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 and give it a perfect colorful look. So let's dive in. This tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 and install this beautiful theme. First you have to create a restore point. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can restore your system. Create a restore point, click on search, and in here you have to type create. Then select create a restore point, select your C drive, click on create, give it a name, then click on create. It will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your system using this restore point. And one more thing, this theme is not provided by Microsoft, it's a customization video. Restore point has been created. Now we have to ready our system for using any custom theme. First unzip this file, then cut this folder, go to your C drive and paste it here, then open it. In here you can see this theme tool, just right click on it, then click on run it as administrator, and then select these two boxes and then click on install. It will record reboot. After reboot, your system is ready for using any custom theme. Now go to this theme folder, go to Windows 11 theme and copy these theme files. Then double click on this theme shortcut and paste it here. Then click on your C drive, go to SecureX theme folder again, right click on this theme tool, click on run as administrator, then click on yes, and select this Suite 2.0 theme and click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Now we have to install this tool called Windhoek. So make sure you have connected to the internet. It will require internet to complete the installation process. Then click on finish, and after installation you will see interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. First we are going to use Windows 11 Explorer Styler. Click on details and install it. Click on settings, click on theme section and select minimal Explorer 11. Click on save. Now I have to install the icon pack. To install the icon pack, search for resources redirect, click on details, install it, go to this folder and unzip this icon pack file, copy this icon pack file, go to C drive and paste it here. Then right click on this icon pack file, click on copy as path, click on settings and paste it here and remove this quotation mark, then click on save. As you can see, some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, right click on taskbar, open task manager and search for Windows Explorer and right click on Windows Explorer and then click on restart. So it's fixed now. As you can see, some folder changed and some not changed yet. To fix this, go to this folder, go to this extras folder and here you can see disable folder thumbnail previews. Just right click on it, click on run as administrator, then click on run, then click on yes. So it fixed now. Now I'm going to install the dock. Install this Nexus dock. Uncheck this launches Nexus, then click on finish. Then go to this folder again, go to extras folder, Nexus dock file, and copy these icon files, go to C drive and paste it here. Then double click on this Nexus icon to run it, and click on this Nexus icon. Then click on advanced section, click on restore. Go to this theme folder, extras folder, and select this dock backup file. Then click on apply and OK. You can also add some blur effect. To add some blur effect, you can try this tool called Blur Maker. Links are given in the description box. Download it and extract it. And then cut this folder, go to C drive and paste it here. Then open this release folder, then open config file and show line, make it true to false. Click on file and save. Then right click on this register file, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. So it will add the blur effect. You can adjust the transparency effect from here. Just increase the value. Click on file and save. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.